Take it easy, dog.
Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Tauri Titus. Anyways, we back with another video. Today we're gonna spend the day with me and you guys get to see what I do or what I'm gonna do for the day. So yeah, that's what's up. And yeah man guys, make sure to subscribe before this video begins. Turn on those notifications so that you can get notified when Mr. Titus drop a video, and share the video to your family and friends and for more content, and drop some content ideas in the comments. Yeah, shut. As you guys can see by now, I look crusty as fuck. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go wash my ass. Get me dressed, and do what I gotta do, man. Yeah. So yet again, make sure to subscribe, please, and share this video. And yeah, so let's get into this video. We're gonna start off by me going to wash my ass and getting myself clean. And guys, let me give you a little a word of the day. So today's my word of the day today is choose people who choose you. Don't choose people that don't choose you. Because at the end of the day, you're putting so much effort into a person that means nothing. And it's gonna end up in nothing. So rather choose people who choose you. Love people who love you. Keep your circle small. It's the best thing. Trust me, it's the best thing. Keep your circle small. Uh Choose your friends wisely. And stay to yourself and focus on your goals, bruh. Don't get distracted by what people say, what they do, whatsoever. Just block their noise and chase your goal. Because at the end of the day, no matter what people say, if you're gonna follow what they saying, you're gonna end up as that nothing. They think you're nothing, so you're gonna listen to them. Oh, they think I'm nothing and shit. Then you're gonna end up like nothing. Rather be the positive one and say, nah, if them, I'll be the better person and do better. Don't just say you're gonna be the better person, then you do focus with your life. Do something. So yeah, man. Let's get into this video, guys. I love and appreciate everyone that's watching my videos. Make sure to drop a red hot in the comments if you got so far into this video. Yeah, let's get into this video. I'ma go wash my ass. Yeah, let me go wash my ass. Bye guys. I forgot the fucking camera. Okay, let's get into this video. Yo, what's up guys? So yeah, let's get into the shower and let's get this washing done so that I can wash my hands, get done in dress mode. Yeah, let's brush my teeth. So now quickly go back. And then guys, so normally your lip will have that kind of stuff on. I don't know what they call it, but I've learned it tip now. Take your toothbrush in. And now you won't get now that stuff will be gone. Just eat some Vaseline after that. But yeah. And now we're gonna get into the shower and I'll hit you guys up once I'm done in the shower. And yeah, shut. Just got out of the shower. You can see that I'm still pretty wet. Ooh, guess whose number? Yo, dan is stel, eerder aan nou net mouse. Yo, okay, van linkervoet zie je, naar rechtervoet zie je. No bamba mama, okay say bamba mama. Kan sien sy's van die nyanga, Kausie boy blys kan gaga. Ayana, my mama, losada, washa. What's up guys? So I am done, I am already dressed. I'm just waiting for my armpits to dry out so that I can put on my t-shirt. So I'll see you guys then when I got my t-shirt on. Shabbat. What's up family? Now I need to iron my t-shirt.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
What's up guys? As you can see, I am now officially done, and this is my outfit of the day. So right now we're gonna go inside and go make us a date so that I can eat because I didn't eat for the whole day. Anyway, sorry for my language. Anyways, listen, and then I'm gonna drink a cup of coffee because what is a date without a coffee? Anyways, let's go. Just a quick disclaimer. I didn't record myself making the food and whatsoever. I already ate and drank my coffee, and yeah, just watch the next part of this video. Guys, yo, what's up guys? So this is now officially the end of this video. So I have to make this video real quick because the sun is going down now, and if the sun goes down then my lighting is gonna be very not good. So for the last scene of this video, I still wanted to do more stuff, but I can do that again. I'm gonna answer some questions that people have to ask me. I'm gonna answer some questions. Let's try and make this video real snippy. I'm gonna try and make this video real snippy. Before we get into this, make sure to subscribe please and share this video to your family and friends. Yeah. First
Take it easy, dog.
okay, that's oh first question is, do you believe people change? Yeah, I believe people do change, whether it's in a good way or bad way. Remember, people change in a good way and they can change in a bad way. So yeah, I do believe people change. Second question, what is your type?
Don't say face T, body T, girls cannot fuck with you.
I don't really have a type. I don't have a type. I just I like my girls how I like them. Yeah, let's just say that. But third question, are you in a relationship? Sorry. So are you in a relationship, guys? No, I'm not in a relationship, but I am talking to someone. Yeah. I hope that answers your question. Someone said who's the girl, so this is obviously someone that knows me from WhatsApp. Who's the girl? She's my girl. Yeah, I think that's all you need to know. What inspired you to start a YouTube channel? What inspired me? I'm my own inspiration. I inspired myself, but also watching other creators, bigger creators, also inspired me, but mostly myself. I like a camera. My sisters, my sisters know it already. that I like a camera. Ek sien jou phone, ek vat jou phone, ek begin record. Because I love cameras. That's how I got inspired. And here the one person says, do you mind teaching us how to DJ? Yes, I do mind, because it's a lot of work, bro. So I do mind. Yeah. Let's see what questions is here more. There's some weird stuff that I don't want to answer. Like, okay, let's not get into that. You and your sister look the same. I'm guessing you're talking about Skylar. Not really, but wait, let's see. Do Tariq Titus and Skylar look the same? I made a photo and I normally say, yeah, we look the same. But okay, no. I'll just put the photo here somewhere, because I don't have less to look for it now through my gallery. Any more questions? Let me quick see. Nah, no more questions. That is all. So I'm gonna end the video right there. I wanted to make this vlog more longer, but today went so fast by, and I did stuff. I was still cleaning and whatsoever, etc. So now I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you if you came this far in this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe, share this video to your family and friends, and stay tuned and drop a comment. Tell me what you loved about this video, and tell me what you would like to see in my future things videos, like videos I'm gonna drop in the future. Tell me what you guys would love to see. Yeah. Anyways, it's your boy Tariq Titus. Thank you for watching my video. Danko. Goodbye.
Special announcement to make.
Everyone, that is a fucking wrap.
If he was a winner, girl, you wouldn't have to worry about a damn thing. If I was up in it, shit, I better.